Hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Spocket Dropshipping. So Spocket is basically a website where you could search for products for your dropshipping business. Now it has automated dropshipping, so it can streamline your e-commerce business with dropshipping automation and top products using AI dropshipping tool with Spocket Dropshipping bot. And you get like contact of many European and United States suppliers, with 80% of their US and EU suppliers enjoy fast, reliable, and hassle-free shipping to your customers. So as you can see here, to get to use it, you're simply going to click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, you will log in into your account. Now, to get a free trial for the first time, you are simply going to select one of these two to connect, so you can either sign up for a new account or select to sign in with one of your Gmail or Facebook. Once you have done that, you will be taken to this page where you are going to view every product, but they will take you eventually to a page where you will have to pay. So as you can see here, skip, and here they will take me to a page where I will have to pay. So this is very necessary for you to actually get to use this platform. You can't really use it for free. You only can use it with money. So yeah, if I click continue, eventually they will get me right over here. Here are every single thing that you might be using. So there's $40 one, the 60, the 100, and the 300. So each one has its own features. Once you have selected the one that fits your business the most, you can either choose to pay it monthly or yearly. Of course, it will save you money if you pay it per year. And here are every single thing that you have to fill. Once you have done that, click on claim your trial and you will claim it, and then you will have to pay it every month in case you would like to use it for a long term. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.